Imagine waking up one day and discovering that 70% of the world's jobs have vanished. This isn't a sci-fi movie plot. It's a potential reality for the year 2040. What would this new world even look like? Let's explore. By 2040, an unprecedented automation boom, driven by advanced AI and robotics, could reshape our entire global workforce. The first wave will hit industries we rely on every day. Think about transportation. Self-driving trucks and taxis will likely dominate the roads, making professional driving a thing of the past. In retail, automated checkouts and robotic shelf stockers will become the norm, completely changing the shopping experience. Factories will be almost entirely run by tireless machines, and farms will use autonomous drones and harvesters to manage crops with incredible precision. The robots of 2040 won't just be simple machines. We're talking about sophisticated, smart robots. Imagine humanoid robots walking among us, performing tasks from construction to customer service. AI supervisors will manage entire teams of machines, optimizing workflows with zero human intervention. Even healthcare will be transformed, with robosurgeons performing delicate operations and robotic caregivers assisting the elderly. So, where does this leave us, the humans? Will we all be out of a job? Not exactly. While many traditional roles will disappear, new opportunities will emerge that capitalize on uniquely human skills. The future will belong to the creators, the innovators, and the leaders. Fields that require deep creativity, complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and strategic management will be more valuable than ever. We'll be the ones designing the systems, dreaming up new ideas, and leading the way forward. This shift will also give birth to entirely new industries we can barely imagine today. Who will fix the robots when they break down? AI technicians and robot repair specialists will be in high demand. As robots become more integrated into our lives, we'll even need robot psychologists to help them and adapt. A massive virtual economy will also likely blossom, creating jobs in digital real estate, virtual event planning, and online experience design. Of course, a transition this massive will present huge challenges. With so many jobs displaced, a global job crisis could be inevitable. This is where concepts like Universal Basic Income, or UBI, might move from theory to reality. Governments may need to provide a basic income for all citizens, ensuring everyone has the means to live, regardless of their employment status. This safety net would allow people to pursue education, creative projects, or community work without the constant pressure of financial survival. The workplace of the future won't be a battle of humans versus robots. It'll be about collaboration. Picture a design team where a human architect brainstorms concepts with an AI that generates thousands of structural possibilities in seconds, or a medical team where a human doctor diagnoses a patient with the help of an AI that has analyzed millions of similar cases. These robot-human teams will combine our creativity and intuition with the processing power and efficiency of machines, leading to breakthroughs we can only dream of today. To prepare for this world, our education system will need a complete overhaul. The one-size-fits-all model will be replaced by an education revolution powered by AI. Personalized learning paths will adapt to each student's unique pace and style. AI tutors will provide one-on-one support 24/7, helping students master complex subjects and develop the critical thinking skills needed for the future. The focus will shift from memorizing facts to learning how to learn, adapt, and create. Our cities will transform as well. Imagine living in a future city where fully automated public transport means no more traffic jams. Your smart home will anticipate your needs, managing everything from your grocery list to your energy consumption. Life will be more seamless, efficient, and connected. So, what's the final prediction? 2040 could be a world where robots handle the labor, the logistics, and the repetitive tasks, freeing up humanity to do what we do best: create, innovate, and connect. It's a future where our value isn't defined by the work we do, but by the ideas we bring to life. It's a profound shift, and it's coming faster than we think. Thanks for watching. If you found this glimpse into the future fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. See you in the next video.